Making your own DIY hand sanitizers has never been this easy or more natural. The Wood & Wick Co. DIY hand sanitizer kit contains everything you need to make your very own DIY hand sanitizers from the comfort of your own home. Your kit contains your hand sanitizer instruction card, your enhancers, we've got some dried botanicals, your empty bottle, essential oil, your funnel, and your bamboo mixing spoon. Your hand sanitizer base, and your spray bottles. Step 1. Cover your workspace. Pour the entire bottle of alcohol and glycerin into a glass pitcher or mixing container. Step 2. Empty your fragrance or essential oil completely into your pitcher as well. Step 3. Fill your provided empty 1-ounce bottle with distilled water and add it into your mixture. Step 4. Mix together your oils for about 1 to 2 minutes with your bamboo mixing spoon. Step 5. Open your bottle, then take your funnel and place it in the top of your bottle. Slowly pour your mixture into your bottle. Once you've filled your bottle, then it's time to drop your enhancers in. Finally, put the cap back on your bottle, screw it on, and then give it a good shake. Make sure to wipe off any spillage and apply your labels. And you're ready to go! Now that you've made your very own DIY hand sanitizer, don't forget to tag Wood & Wick on Instagram. Happy making!